We're in Canada, in the province of Quebec, in the provincial capital, Quebec City.
而家喺Quebec City 嘅 Montmorency， 咁我哋嚟呢個地方咧就睇一個好高嘅瀑布。佢嘅特點咧就係佢個高度咧係比呢個 Niagara Falls 咧更加高出30米嘅。咁冇 Niagara Falls 個平面咁闊，但係咧個高度咧亦都係非常之宏偉。嗱，呢個瀑布咧，其實可以有3條路線嘅。咁第一條梗你而家可以行上山啦嚇。第二條路線咧就係坐呢個 cable car， 咁就可以即係又上又落啦。咁就我哋咧就選擇第3條路線揸車嚟。咁每一條路線如果你揸車嘅話咧，你都係需要俾停車場費同埋人頭費嘅。未進入瀑布之前，先拜訪 Montmorency， 佢係呢度唯一嘅餐廳。咁因為沿途瀑布係冇洗手間嘅，所以要喺呢度先停一停。由停車場山上個停車場啦，泊好車之後咧，就沿住呢條路線咧就可以直達瀑布嘅高點。咁大概咧係行5分鐘左右就到㗎啦。條路好舒服，係木板地咁，同埋咧可以望到由高山上面望出去有一個遠景。到達咗第一個觀景台，可以直望瀑布嘅頂端，磅礴嘅流水好有氣勢啊！ Hi Andrew.
Hello there. Very noisy here. The water.
Let's not better from this angle.
I know, we got a bridge over the top, we got a zip line, which isn't working, luckily for us. And they got various routes down to the bottom as well.
哇，條樓梯都幾長喎 ，Andrew， 你上去睇下先啦。
There's a lot of walking at the falls. If you're not up for that, I recommend the cable car.
You going in?
We're going in. Crossing the bridge. One of our YouTube fans, no doubt. The falls are on the Montmorency River. The water flows at a rate of 4,600 cubic feet per second. That's more than a couple of bathtubs. On a day like today, the view from the bridge is spectacular. All you need is suntan lotion.
我哋嚟到第2個觀景台，喺呢個位置可以好清楚睇到去 Ilie-d'orleans 奧爾良島嘅行車天橋，旁邊有一條好長嘅木樓梯，係落去第3個觀景台。呢個觀景台可以近距離同瀑布接觸，可以睇到水花彈落瀑布底下，再加上陽光嘅折射，形成咗一條好美麗嘅彩虹。向上望返去，仲可以睇到我哋沿途行過嘅天橋添。仲睇到第1個觀景台。
So the side of the, I call it the cliff, I thought was rock, but it's not, it's all shale. Really quite unstable. When you try to walk on this, you just come sliding down. This is probably why they're tidying up at the bottom. Down over here. Fortunately, the other platform is not usable, so this is as close as I can get. Pity. I started at the bottom. Very quickly my heart rate was 128 beats per minute. Got to the top, 152. Which isn't bad, except there's not beer in sight. can't have everything. Don't know why, but apparently you can't. Anyway, I'll get a drink of something in a moment. 487 steps, bottom to top.
Ilie-d'orleans 奧爾良島。奧爾良島係聖 Lawrence River 中嘅一個島嶼，長32公里，闊8公里，面積係115平方公里。從歷史角度嚟睇，奧爾良島係最早被法國殖民嘅地區之一。多數嘅法裔加拿大人可以喺度追溯到佢哋祖先從前嘅蹤影，所以佢被描述為傳統魁北克嘅縮影，亦都係北美洲法語國家嘅發源地。進入小島之後，覺得非常寧靜，車路平坦寬闊，一棟棟嘅小洋房亦都幾靚，顏色好鮮豔。睇嚟住喺呢度嘅人生活一定非常悠閒。
Churches of all shapes and sizes. Ile-d'Orleans is very rural. Before 1935, when the bridge was built, you could only get here by boat.
Hey Andrew, are you ready to walk up to the tower?
I agree, that's what we're here for. San Francois, the northern point of the island. From the top, we look across the fields to the St. Lawrence River. We continue our drive around the island. Dorothy's looking for fresh fruit and vegetables. I'm keener on cider and local beer. Jackpot, a microbrewery. Choices, choices, choices. Now remember, I'm the driver.
Kind of a little bit sweet beer. You have also the maple beer here, the amber with maple, but it's not sweet.
Right.
It's less sweet than the red beer. You have a back taste of maple, but not the sweetness.
Give me one of each. This looks interesting. They seem to have everything that the island's famous for. Cider, fresh fruit, dried fruit, jam, marmalade, and much, much more, all locally made. This red shop specialises in local wines and cider. So much choice, but we're travelling, so need to be frugal. 2 bottles of cider for tonight is perfect. Safely packed for the journey home. We are standing outside the Quebec Parliament building, provincial Parliament of Quebec province, and I'm quite impressed that they have a lot of notable figures into the stoneworks. Unfortunately, my knowledge of Quebec history, other than it used to be French, then it was British, and now it's Canadian, is limited to that. So I don't know who any of these people are, but it is very nicely done and very smart.
呢度嘅警察好友善，除咗要守衞住呢個議會之外呢，佢 佢哋仲好樂意做埋導遊工作添。睇下 Andrew 已經同呢一位警察傾咗5分鐘啦，我諗我哋都係時候去參觀啦。議會係一個莊嚴嘅地方，唔能夠錄影㗎，所以今次只可以用圖片同大家分享啦。
Inside the Parliament is a mix of old and new. Emblems represent the diversity of the provincial founders and more recently the First Nations. The Q&A session in the House becomes quite lively, but it's also a great photo opportunity. And as we head back through the library, we reflect. We still have the cider to drink.
睇完啲咁嚴肅嘅地方，轉一個場輕鬆下先。呢度係 Le Grand Marché， 即係香港人叫街市，英文人就叫 Open Market。裏邊林林總總，乜嘢都有得買，日用品、玩嘅、食嘅，樣樣都有齊，真係可以喺度嘆一個下晝㗎。見到咁多新鮮蔬果同埋食物，好想買晒佢返屋企啊！煮個羅曼燭光晚餐先。正想問下 Andrew 佢想食乜，佢反而就問返佢隔離嗰2位新認識嘅朋友。佢答案都未俾我，就已經一支箭走咗出去啦。究竟有啲乜嘢咁吸引佢呢？哦，原來係佢最中意嘅生啤，咁我都唔執輸，飲返杯 cocktail 先。等我走入餐廳裏邊，望下裏邊嘅設計先。裏邊嘅裝潢都幾靚㗎，但係大多數嘅客人都中意坐喺戶外。我諗咁靚嘅天氣係主要原因。乜解 Andrew 笑得咁曖昧嘅？哦，原來佢揾到佢個摯愛。